Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to export photos from one Google account to another one. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open any navigator and then on your Google search bar, search for Google Photos. So once you do that, go ahead and click on this link. And then we're going to be right here. Go ahead and click on Go to Google Photos. Once you click on Go to Google Photos, you're going to be right here. So here in the left, you're going to find Photos, where you're going to find all of your saved photos on your Google account. Right here, you're going to find Explore if you want to search for some photos. Right here, you're going to find Sharing. Here, you're going to find Favorites, Albums, Utility, Archive, Locked Folder, Trash, and lastly, the storage that you have. And if you want more storage, you can unlock storage discounts by clicking right here. And then you can subscribe to any plan that you want. So there is the basic, standard, and premium. So basically, guys, in order to export photos from your Google Photo, go ahead and click on any photo. And right here in the top, you're going to find some options like share, edit, zoom, info, favorites, delete, and these three dots for more options. So you can download the photo from here. Or you can also go to the share button and you can share it to any other Google account that you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.